All right, this is the got Chemical Guys quick leather detailer here. Just a microfiber cloth, and this is my Ottoman. You can kind of see here it's got some, or that's the detailer here from Chemical Guys, and as you can see, the Ottoman has some scratches on it from her dog. It'll kind of just jump up there and it does like a little scratching motion. You can kind of see it there. Little 3 spots. There's more than 3 spots, but all right. So we just kind of use a circular motion here to apply it on. You don't need to put a ton on, but I like to get it soaked in. I think it has, on the label it says vitamin E and aloe, and it definitely smells kind of like leather when you're done too, or like that new car smell almost. So I'll do this other side here, put it on there, and this whole top is is leather, so you can also put it on the sides. I also use this for I think this is also mainly used for cars. So if you've got leather in your car, leather seats or whatnot, parts of the dashboard, you can use it for that. But here I'm using it for the Ottoman, and it does seem to work pretty well. Kind of adds a little sheen after it's dry as well. I usually do this every few months or so, and this is the after here. So as you can see, it looks a lot better. You can still see some of the scratches if you're up close, but altogether it looks a lot better. Looks like a newer piece there. Doesn't look as dry and kind of old either. So I do like this detailer. I've used it for cars. One day I was like, let's try it on the Ottoman, and it worked out. So check them out.